Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on the Edge application or website if you have forgotten to log out. So let's get started right away. First of all, go ahead and open up the Edge application, and if you haven't logged out from your account, you will directly be taken into your homepage where you can see all of your assets. Now within your homepage, if you wish to log out, tap on the menu icon at the top right corner and this will open the menu page. From this page, you will find the logout button at the bottom section, so go ahead and tap on it. You will then be asked to enter your credential to log in, which means that you have been logged out, but you can still log into your account by using your fingerprint or your PIN code. If you wish to remove this and all of your user data saved within the application, then long press on the Edge app and then tap on the info button. Now, once you tap on this, you will be taken into the application info page for the Edge app. Go ahead and tap on a force stop at the bottom right corner to stop the application first, and then tap on OK. Now scroll down and tap on storage, and then from the storage page, tap on clear data at the bottom left corner, and then tap on the delete button to delete all of your user data within the Edge app. Once you do this step, if you open up Edge, you will be asked to log into your account once again. But once you complete this step, you will be logged out from your account completely, and none of your user data will be saved. And there you have it. That is how you can log out safely and securely from the Edge application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.